5 notable AI publications landed this week: Alibaba's Qwen3.8 Max, Inkling Small, Ontology 1, Cogent VR 1, and a GeoAI tutorial. I'll summarize sizes, hardware facts, benchmarks, and practical next steps. Here's what changed. Qwen3.8 Max, 2.4 trillion parameter sparse MOE, vendor states open weights ship next week. Qwen3.8 27 billion also planned. Inkling Small, open weights on Hugging Face, 276 billion total, 12 billion active. Ontology 1, live product on Onton.com, no open checkpoint. Cogent VR 1, gated access with intrusion bench. GeoAI tutorial full UNet to mask RCNN pipeline. Qwen3.8 Max is a sparse mixture of experts model. Total parameters 2.4 trillion. Active parameters not disclosed by Alibaba. Context window 1 million tokens. Max input 991,000 tokens. Thinking reduces to 983,000. Max output 131,000 tokens. Reasoning budget 262,000 tokens. Hosted API deployable today. Open weights are a data center multi-node checkpoint. Benchmarks and pricing matter. Qwen3.8 Max. Terminal bench 2.1 score 86.6. GPT 5.6 Sol Max listed at 88.8. Qwen leads several vision benchmarks. Responses API pricing $2 per 1 million input tokens. $6 per 1 million output tokens. Rate limits 2 million tokens per minute. 15 requests per minute. Cached input and explicit cache costs are published by Alibaba. Inkling Small, 276 billion total, 12 billion active. Weights released under Apache 2.0 on Hugging Face. BF16 checkpoint, approximately 600 gigabytes, aggregated VRAM. NVFP4 quantized checkpoint, approximately 180 gigabytes. Single GPU W4A4 path on a B300, W4A16 on 2H200s, 42 layers, decoder only, tokens route to 6 of 256 experts, plus 2 shared experts. Ontology 1, neurosymbolic product search, on subtext decor 90, PA10 equals 0.630, Google Shopping 0.543, Amazon 0.469. Onton indexes 1% of catalogs and builds an inspectable world model. Krippendorf's alpha across judges 0.465. Judge noise noted. OGraph throughput claims published by Onton. Cogent VR 1 enterprise reasoning model. Includes intrusion bench and a governed runtime. Cogent reports -2 times completed paths at -25% cost. Black box pass at 3. VR1 is gated, not open weights. Not evaluated on browser or binary exploitation or zero-day discovery. Who benefits and why? Qwen3.8 Max, suited for long context, multimodal enterprise agents. Inkling Small, open self-hosting for teams that meet VRAM requirements. Onton, targets e-commerce search teams. Cogent VR1, aimed at large enterprises with security functions. GeoAI tutorial, practical pipeline mixing UNet and zero-shot tools. Developer takeaways. Hosted API for immediate scale and lower operational overhead. Open weights when you need private control and low latency. Inkling Small BF16, approximately 600 gigabytes aggregated VRAM. NVFP4 quantized format, approximately 180 gigabytes. Runtimes VLLM, token speed, unsloth, Hugging Face. Onton invest in knowledge graphs for search. Limitations to note. Alibaba did not disclose activated parameter counts for Qwen3.8 Max. Open weights cost and latency remain uncertain. Inkling Small depends on NVFP4 or recent NVIDIA hardware paths. Ontology 1, 90 query benchmark. Judge agreement shows noise. Cogent VR1, gated access and scoped evaluations only. GeoAI zero-shot tools can underperform on edge cases versus custom training. Bottom line. Sparse MOE scaling and quantized checkpoints widen deployment choices. Vendors ship vertical, benchmarked products with gated access. Actionable, test-hosted APIs for speed. Self-host only if you can meet hardware and governance needs. Always benchmark on your own data. Sources are in the description. Alibaba Qwen3.8 Max. MarkTechPost.com link. Cogent VR 1. MarkTechPost.com link. Onton Ontology 1. MarkTechPost.com link. GeoAI tutorial. MarkTechPost.com link. Inkling Small. MarkTechPost.com link.